I'm going to show you how to make money with cashback and claim apps in 2025 step by step so your everyday shopping puts real money back in your pocket. If you've ever opened your bank account and thought, didn't I just get paid? Where did it all go? You're not alone. Little purchases add up and it feels like your money disappears. Cashback apps are like quiet refunds on the shopping you already do. Claim tricks are like politely asking when something goes wrong, and often you get rewarded just for asking. I'm Erin and this is Side Hustle Mastery, simple systems, real income, no burnout. So what are cashback and claim apps? Cashback apps give you money back after you shop. Example, spend $100 on sneakers and $5 quietly comes back to you. Same shoes, but now they really cost $95. Claim apps are when you ask for a refund if something changes. Maybe your package is late or the price dropped right after you bought it. Most people never ask, but the ones who do often get credits or refunds. So in plain English, cashback equals money back for shopping. Claims equals money back when things go wrong. Why this works? There are a ton of apps out there, but I keep it simple with just one for this system. Rakuten. It handles the cashback side and it's free. Once you connect it, the only job left is remembering to activate it before you shop. Step 1 is to turn on cashback. Here's the first rule. If you don't activate cashback before shopping, you're leaving free money on the table. If you want to follow along, the Rakuten link is below. It's an affiliate link, no extra cost, and it helps me keep making tutorials. So first, I'm going to go ahead and use the link. So you can see it's get your $50 bonus today because Charlie invites you to join and get a $50 bonus when you spend $50. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Okay, so I'll type in my email, sign up, and add the browser button. And so let's say I want to join the Nike site. So what you want to do is activate cashback. So you'll click shop and then it will automatically bring you to the Nike website. And from there, I just shop like normal, but now part of my money is already coming back. All right, so I'm gonna go back and then we're gonna walk through Rakuten's homepage together. So you can see that there are many different categories like clothing, travel, and home goods. And there's food and drinks and restaurants, events and entertainment. And under each store name, you'll notice cashback percentages like 4% at Staples, you get 10% cashback at CVS, and that's how much comes back to you after checkout. So each store has a shop now button. Clicking that activates cashback and takes you straight to the retailer. A banner confirms its tracking. And quick note, cashback rates change weekly. Some days Sephora is 2%, some days Aloe is 5%, other days is 10%, and that's why checking before you buy can actually double your cashback. Step 3, stack savings. Cashback is great, but stacking multiplies the win. Say you're buying sneakers. First win, the sale banner on Nike's site. Second win, Rakuten's cashback. Third win, if you pay with a rewards card, you get points. Same sneakers, 3-layer of savings. That's how you turn an ordinary purchase into a better deal. Step 4, if cashback doesn't show up sometimes, cashback doesn't track. Don't panic, it happens in Rakuten. You want to click help, missing cashback, fill in the store name, order date, order number, and subtotal, submit it, and they usually fix it in a few days. That 30-second message might recover $10 or $20 you thought you lost. Step 5 is claim refunds for price drops or delays. Here's the sneaky win most people ignore. Asking for refunds when prices drop or packages arrive late. Example, you buy headphones for $120. 2 days later, they're $100. Instead of being annoyed, you open chat support and say, hi, order number 123 from blank date is now $100. Can I get a price adjustment for the $20 difference? Same thing with delivery delays. Hi, order number 12345, ordered late. Do you offer a credit or shipping refund? Sometimes the answer is no, but when it's yes, that's free money back just for asking. Step 6, real world examples. Let me show you what this looks like in practice. Let's say shoes are $120 sneakers from Nike and you get a 10% cash back. That's $12 back. For makeup, $60 for order at 8%, that's $4.80 cash back. Do that twice a month and you've got nearly $120 a year just for clicking activate. Electronics is a $500 Best Buy laptop at 5%, that's $25 back in one shot. Travel, Rakuten also partners with Expedia and Marriott. A $1,000 booking at 8% is $80 back. That's 1 week's of groceries. The point is, you don't need crazy effort. Even 2 or 3 regular purchase each month stacks into real numbers. Step 7, how Rakuten pays you cash back doesn't hit instantly. It's paid out quarterly. Every 3 months, Rakuten totals your balance and sends it as a big fat check or a PayPal deposit. You pick which. Example, shop normally for 3 months, stack $60 in cash back, and one day a check shows up in your mailbox. Add the welcome bonus, and that's money back in the first round. That rhythm, quarterly payouts, turns random savings into a noticeable side stream of cash. Step 8, weekly routine. Here's how I keep this running in under 15 minutes a week. On Monday, check Rakuten for double cashback stores. On Wednesday, scan my recent orders and send one claim if needed. On Friday, log into Rakuten and check a pending cashback. Step 9 is using quick templates to copy and paste. You can use it for price drops, which is, hi, my order is now $50. Can I get a price adjustment? For missing cashback, hi, my Rakuten order at blank store on blank date didn't track, order number 12345, subtotal for X dollars. Late delivery, hi, my order for 12345 arrived late. Do you offer a credit or a refund? Step 10, your 7-day starter plan. So here's a rhythm you can copy this week. Day 1, sign up for Rakuten and grab the browser button. Day 2 is make one normal purchase through Rakuten. Day 3, check your pending cashback to confirm it tracked. And day 4, send one practice claim message for a recent order. Day 5, try stacking sales price and Rakuten and card rewards. Day 6, review your Rakuten dashboard and note your total saved. Day 7, plan your next purchase using the highest cashback stores that week. Here's the truth. Making money with cashback and claims isn't about being extreme. It's about being consistent. You're taking the same purchases you already make and squeezing extra value out of them. Over time, those wins add up to real money. If you want to try Rakuten, the link is down below. It's an affiliate link, no extra cost, and it helps me keep making these free tutorials. If this gave you a clear next step, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with the first store you'll test. I read everyone. Thanks for watching. I'm Erin with Side Hustle Mastery, and I'll see you in the next one.